welcome back. Now, how was I able to promote my website to get tens and even hundreds of thousands of visitors without much stress? Let me tell you the secret. I simply found a way to reach social media influencers, and since I didn't have any money, I had to get them to share all of my content pieces to their followers on social media completely for free. And that is what I will teach you in this very lesson. Now, when I came across this very simple strategy, I started getting replies from verified profiles, influencers, celebrities in my market that were tweeting out my content, and I'm going to share with you how you can do the same right now. Now, whenever I reach out now, here basically here's what I do. I create good content and then I reach out to at least 50 influencers to check out that content and tweet it out or share it out on any social media platform that they may want to share it, if it is worth it. Now, if you're really good at what you do, then you should be able to get. Personally, it is a lot of work, and which is why I said, if you are looking for a get rich quick scheme or training, then this is not for you. This is not for you. It is not too late. You can quit right now. You can cancel this training and log out right now. So what I do basically is I create useful content and then I send it to influencers who have huge following, and then I tell them about the content, why I wrote it, and literally I get around 10 to 50 influencers whenever I reach out to 100 influencers. So what I'm saying is, if I reach out to, I usually get 30% conversion. So whenever I reach out to influencers to check my content to check a particular content on my website, whenever I reach out to 100, I get around 30 to share out my content, and that turns out to hundreds and tens of thousands of visitors back to my website. Now, don't forget, these are targeted content, targeted influencers, and targeted visitors. Now, if you can publish just 4 posts and reach out to 50 people, influencers in your market, and tell them, hey, I have this great post and I've seen that you like something like this. Can you check it out and let me know what you think? And if it is worth it, share it out on your Instagram story and I'll appreciate it. And whenever you do that, you are asking for permission for free to get your content in front of a huge audience. Now, to break this down for you, first of all, you have to find lucrative topics to create content about, and then you have to create the content, which I showed you how, even if you don't want to write a single word. And then the next thing I did was I showed you how the secret I use, which is promoting to influencers in my niche. For every content I put out, I reach out to 50, or whenever I have the energy, I reach out to 100 influencers. And then you basically convert all of those visitors into email subscribers. And the last and very interesting step is to pitch your services to all of the people that signed up to your email list. So if you create content about freelance writing, how to hire a freelance writer, I'll create a sort of system which I'll be showing you, but because of the time limit, and I don't want this training to be so huge and overwhelming for you, I am not going to be sharing with you here, but don't worry, you still have access to it. And then you sort of put out a system that will collect email addresses of people on your website. Now, those will convert into email subscribers. That is what I did to you on this training. I got you into my email list and I'm teaching you something for free. That is just what I'm telling you to do. Teach people for free, get them to your email list, build trust, show them who you are, tell them your story, and then they will surely buy from you they will most likely buy from you after you sell your services to them. So at this point, you know the basic system to set up to start attracting potential clients to your freelance website, even and even get a few like your first client. Because looking at it, I showed you how to get 8,000 people. Because for every influencer that tweets, imagine you get an influencer tweet out to his 1 million followers, that could turn out to tens of thousands of views on your website. So at this point, you know how to set up a system to attract people to your website. And then you, in the previous module, I gave you a checklist with all of the pages that your website must have as a freelancer for you to be able to convert visitors into email subscribers. So if you didn't get that, go back to the previous module and you can get that. But deep down, I know you have a ton of questions you want to ask me right now. Like the real question on your mind, for example, is how do you actually get these people who come to your website to really pay you money? Like, how do you just ask them? Do they just come to your website and magically pay you, or do they contact you? Do they use the emails? How do you even know what price to tell them? What emails do you send them? Like, and how do you write these emails? What ideas could you come up with? How do you actually set all of these systems up step by step? And even more questions. I know you have 1 million questions about this whole freelance thing, and I understand where you're coming from, and this is why I've invested a ton of time to a program that I call the Freelance to 1K program. And if you're free, I'll use a few minutes to tell you about this program. Now, the Freelance to 1K training program is a course for people just where you are and at the knowledge that you are, who want to start and really grow to $1,000 per month as a freelancer. Now, I personally set a goal. If you've not forgotten, like I said in the previous modules, I personally set a goal to help 15 people this year hit at least $1,000 in income this year. Now, which is why I decided to invest so much time to putting in this very premium training, which I call Freelance to the 1K. And like I said, it is a step-by-step blueprint for complete beginners to grow from where you are right now to running a successful 5-figure service-based business in only 2 hours per day. Now, if you really want to earn some money by offering the services that you have online, but you're not sure what steps to take from here, then I want you to listen to me. My name is Simon Zako, and I am just 20 years old. I know I'm not meant to say just, but I am 20 years old, and if a 20-year-old boy could start a service-based business online and grow it to $1,000 per month and even more, then I am more than sure that you can do it too. Like, I am over sure you can do it. I am so sure you can do even more, because here's why I am sure you can even do more. Because when I got started, I didn't have any training like this, so I didn't have a blueprint to follow. But you get this the easier way. You have a blueprint that I followed, that I know works, and you have it in front of you in this program that I call the Freelance to the 1K. And like I said, I'm so sure that you can do it. You just need a great offer, which this program will help you. We'll be going on a call personally with me. Each of these 15 people will be going on a call, one-on-one call with me, to come up with an irresistible offer. And I'll also be helping them setting up their website and then a sales funnel to get them started. And like I said, here's the blockbuster. This program will hold you by the hand until you hit at least $1,000 per month. What I'm saying is this: if you enroll in this program, you would continue to get coaching from me until you hit $1,000 every month. And there's so much that you get from enrolling in this program. There's a lot more, like joining our Facebook group, the bonus tools, the freelance niche Bible, the weekly question and answer sessions. If you enroll in this program, we'll be having weekly question and answer questions and sessions where you can get to ask me questions on video calls live, so I can get to see your progress and help you out one on one. Now that is a lot of value. That is so much, and I'm giving all of this away and at an insane value today. And it is, you just get it when you, this value, you only get it today because like I said, I'm only trying to limit this to 15 people, and at the moment this training has over 400 subscribers. That means 400 students, which I'm super happy about. That, thank you so much for signing up and letting me share my knowledge with you. And so, like I said, this training has that much people, and I'm limiting this to only 15 students because I want to be able to have enough time to go on one-on-one calls with all of these 15 people. So you get the complete freelance to 1K training program and a lot more. So what I want you to do right now is I want you to click the button below this very video right now. Like, don't think, don't procrastinate. I made a lot of mistakes. I can tell. I made a lot of mistake. I procrastinated a lot. I don't want that to be the case for you. I want you to click the button below this very module right now, this very video right now, and take action. There's a lot more you can read about the program, and you after, if it is something that you feel you can go through, and if it's something that you feel is for you, then I want you to fill out the form. It is an application because I will be picking just 15 people. So if you apply, I'll go through all of your applications and I'll be picking 15 people and take them to $1,000 per month. And that's just a lot, and I don't want this video to be too long. Just click the button, excuse me, right now, and I'll see you inside. And I hope you get into the 15 and change your life this year. Now, thank you so much for joining this training once more. It's your boy Simon Zaku, and I hope you join this very flagship program because it is my life work, and I'm super excited, and I hope you are excited as well, and you get it at this crazy deal that I've never given, and I probably don't think I will give again. And there's a timer, so you should hurry up so that we can get started.